My name's Neo Mosudisa. I'm an electrical engineer and inventor from Birmingham in the West Midlands. My business is Neo Mosudisa Limited, and our primary product is Spurlok, which is a safe isolation device for electricians and gas engineers. I was introduced to Innovate UK business growth through my mentor Roy Pulley, who reached out to me while he was working as an innovation growth specialist, and he let me know all about the different benefits that I might be able to get from the experience in marketing, product development, risk analysis, all around through Innovate UK.
What I'm looking for is commitment and passion, and he had that in spades. He had a product idea, done some initial testing, but it needed finessing, and there's a lack of understanding of the total journey of developing a product. It's complex, it's risky, and you have to do a lot of upfront work to get it right.
So the Young Innovators Award was something that was recommended to me by Roy Pulley and Rachel Cheetham. They were working closely with me at the time, and that was a really interesting and rewarding process. Have a network of young people that you can share those experiences with, you can lean on when it comes to getting advice, or you can sort of share experiences that you've had that maybe they're not quite at that stage yet. I'm also able to gain a lot of knowledge and information from people who are tackling different challenges in their pursuits but are relevant to me at the same time. So it's a very mutually rewarding and beneficial experience.
When I first met Neo, he'd progressed along his development journey quite considerably. He'd already developed a concept, he had a good understanding of what he wanted his product to achieve, and he had a really good understanding of his value proposition. So he was confident with the fit and the function of the product itself. It seemed to us that there really were two key areas that we could assist with. Design for usability and helping the user to engage with the product, and design for manufacture, making sure that the product could be manufactured in a cost-effective and efficient way. It was clear that there needed to be a local relationship and a local partnership to help bring his product through manufacture. My previous experience and relationship working with Helena made me fairly confident that she was going to be the right person, and Andel Plastics would be the right company to hold Neo's hand and see them through the product development.
We had a conversation about how he'd developed the product, what his idea was and his passion, and what he wanted to achieve working with like a Birmingham-based manufacturing business really. So we really wanted to work with him. We did a bit of DFM to make the tooling as efficient and robust as possible for the future. And then we've sort of been through the journey of making that tooling for him, doing him some samples, getting them approved, and then finally going into sort of mass production with the product for him.
My experience with Innovate UK business growth has been life-changing. I say life-changing in the way that it's changed me as a person. As far as recommending Innovate UK to others, I would just across the board as a general statement say, if you are trying to be great at something, you need to find people who are more experienced than you, people who are better than you, people who are going to put you in uncomfortable situations, but situations that you're able to grow and develop from. And Innovate UK bridges the gap. All in all, I couldn't recommend Innovate UK enough.